Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to Day 4 of the Web Development Roadmap 2026. Today we're tackling a crucial choice: front-end, back-end, or full-stack development. Choosing the wrong path early on can slow down your progress in web development. We're here to help you navigate this choice clearly. Front-end, back-end, or full-stack? If you're just starting your web development journey, making the wrong choice now could set you back. Let's fix that today. Hi, this is Skill Bakery. In this video, we will clearly explain the differences between front-end, back-end, and full-stack development so you can confidently choose the right path for your career. First, let's look at front-end development. What exactly does a front-end developer do? Front-end developers focus on what users see and interact with. This includes the layout, design, animations, and overall user experience of a website. Key front-end skills include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Next.js. If you enjoy design, visuals, and instant feedback, front-end might be your calling. Next, let's go behind the scenes and explore back-end development. Back-end developers work behind the scenes. They handle servers, databases, user authentication, APIs, and the core business logic of an application. Common back-end technologies include ASP.NET Core, Django, Laravel, and Node.js. If you enjoy logic, managing data, and complex problem-solving, back-end development may suit you better. Finally, we have the full-stack developer, the web development generalist. Full-stack developers understand both the front-end and back-end. They possess the knowledge to build complete applications, from the database to the user interface. This path offers maximum flexibility, but requires more learning time to master both sides. Full-stack developers are highly valued, especially in startups and small teams. So how do you decide which path is right for you, especially as a beginner? If you're a beginner, don't overthink the initial choice. Start by learning the fundamentals of both front-end and back-end. Once you understand how they connect, you can specialize later. Early specialization without fundamentals often leads to knowledge gaps. Front-end roles often focus on user experience and design-heavy products. Back-end roles prioritize performance, security, and scalability. Full-stack roles value versatility and broad problem-solving ability. Remember, all three paths currently have strong career demand. Based on our experience training thousands of developers, here is the official Skill Bakery recommendation. Learn front-end basics first, then add back-end fundamentals next, and then decide whether to specialize or commit to full stack. This balanced approach keeps your career options wide open. That wraps up our guide on choosing your web development path. But your learning journey doesn't end here. At Skill Bakery, we design structured learning paths for front-end, back-end, and full-stack developers. If you want practical, guided learning, visit skillbakery.com. Tomorrow, we'll talk about the best programming languages for web development in 2026. Subscribe and see you then.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.